Okay, you guys, I am not what you might call camera ready right now, but something just came in the mail, and I don't normally do like unboxing stuff or hauls or anything, but I'm gonna make an exception because when I was looking for this, I couldn't find it anywhere on YouTube. There was one video of a girl that had bought it. I've wanted it for a long time now, and it was sold out. And then when I was in the parks, I actually bought the less expensive little wristlet that matches this. And then I saw in my inbox, I had a coupon, and then I remembered that I get 20% off as a Disney Vacation Club member when I buy Disney Vacation Club products at Shop Disney. So this just came. I have not opened it at all. It is from, whoops, I don't want to show you my address. It is from Shop Disney. Okay, so here's the deal. If I don't like the pattern placement, I may not keep this. I only have like a couple of Dooney and Bourke bags, and normally I like to do the shopping of them myself. When I bought the wristlet that matches this, literally they brought boxes in from the back, and the cast members at Kidani were so helpful in helping me pick one out. They were super sweet about the whole thing. So for me to just order this blind online was is pretty crazy. So of course we've got the typical beautiful Disney tissue that it always comes in with all the characters on it. Okay, hold on. So y'all, this is the 25th anniversary Dooney and Bourke shopper bag. I was looking for a bag that I could use as like my second carry-on. I have a Vera Bradley Disney Vacation Club backpack that I've been using, but with all the traveling I'm doing in the next year, I wanted something Disney that was a little bit bigger than that. From first glance, can y'all see, there it is in the packaging. I think I am loving the pattern placement. Okay, hold on. I have relatives that are probably watching this right now. I think I've lost my flippin' mind. Those of you who get it, you get it. You understand. Okay, hold on. Taking the packaging off. Ah! Hang in there, Dooney and Bourke bag. Okay. So, let's look at the front of this baby first. So here is our pattern placement. OMG. I literally could not be happier. So Vero Beach is our home resort, and you see the little Vero turtle is right there. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 full Mickeys. 1, 2, 3 of those little Mickeys, another turtle over here. It's got the 25th anniversary leather tag. And then on the back, I've got kind of a repeat of where the 3 Mickeys are, full Mickeys. It doesn't look like anything got cut off. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this. Okay, so I loved the pattern when they first came out, but at the time, this was just more than I wanted to pay. But then with it, with the discount, okay, I'm not gonna take those off quite yet. All right, we're gonna open up the inside. It's a big bag. I'm gonna take out all this tissue. It's actually bigger than I think I realized it was, because what I usually put in my second carry-on when I'm flying to Disney is going to be like my cosmetics and just like my electronics. Now my vlogging camera, all that will go in here. Okay, here's the inside. It's this really pretty blue interior, and there are 2 organizational pockets, the smaller ones on this side, and then 1 zipper pocket on this side, and also the key fob, which this is vital when I'm traveling because it's really easy for me to find my keys in my bag. Wow, okay, the bottom has the little, sorry, didn't mean to flip you off. The bottom has the little feet so that when you set it down, it doesn't damage the bottom of the bag. And I'll show it to you. Let me pick this guy up so you can kind of see the size. It's actually perfect because it's not, it'll fit under the seat easily, but it's not so big that it's going to be uncomfortable for me to carry over my shoulder. Oh my gosh. It has a zipper, which is really good because for a tote, you want there to be a zipper. Zipper works great, and when it's zipped up, look how pretty the top is when it's zipped up. Let me turn it so you can see the pattern. Look how pretty it is when it's zipped up. Okay, I am beyond thrilled. I was super worried, but look at that, you guys. 1, 2, 3 Mickeys just right across the top, and then the 2 ones there. I would not have been, and then this guy right kind of in the middle, I would not have been able to pick this out if I tried. They did such a great job. I paid, if they're still on the thing, if you are an annual pass holder or DVC, you get 20% off. So I paid $214 for this, had free shipping, and it was $231 with tax. They're selling on eBay. I saw one yesterday on eBay for almost $500. So when I first ordered it, I thought, well, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I may sell it. But I definitely knew it was a good deal, and I am just so happy. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. What I may do before I end this video is run upstairs and show you the little wristlet, and we can see how the wristlet fits into the bigger bag, because that's probably what I will take with me for Star Wars. So hooray! I'm so excited. All right, hang on. Okay, now we're in my closet, and I wanted to show you the 2 bags together. I was wrong. This one actually isn't a wristlet. It's just like a little envelope, and actually the straps don't come off on that, but it does have inside the little slots. I still have a magic band in here from my last trip. It has the little slots for your credit cards, and also it also has the little key fob. But what I love is when I go through airports, what I like to do is have my bigger secondary bag, but then I like to have another bag with just my ID and all that I can slip into the other bag, and then this will work as my handbag on the trip. And this just will fit so beautifully. Whoops. That's funny. I didn't unzip it first. It won't fit in there at all if you don't unzip it first. This will fit. Okay, hold on. Yes, perfect. Okay. That will fit beautifully just down in there along with my cosmetic bag, and I can definitely fit a few more things in there. So I now have the matching set, and oh, I didn't even show you guys how this has the blue on the sides and the brass hardware, and the, of course, really beautiful celebrating 25 years and beyond Disney Vacation Club. There's my little turtle from my sweet Vero Beach. The Dooney and Bourke 1975. And there we go. Super happy with my purchase. If you can find one right now is a really great time. Highly recommend it. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.